my name is Khushi and I have joined this community of Go Nature classrooms in the month of November 2022, and I have joined this community related to my issue of weight loss and as well as PCOD. And I have also attended the workshop called High, and in the High workshop, sir has introduced a program called Meta, and I can say that the workshop was really amazing, as well as the Meta program is not only life changing or eye opener, but it's also a heaven on earth for those who are suffering from any kind of diseases or like have lost hope of becoming healthy again. Or it's not only for the people who are like suffering from any disease, but also for the people who wants to gain their next level in their healing and everything. And about the Meta program, in Meta program, sir has not only provided us the like criteria of what problems we are facing in our daily life, and what mistakes we are doing knowingly or unknowingly in our daily life, but also has given us the solutions of that every mistake or problem we are facing with proper guidance. Like it's not like he has given the solution and now you're on your own, but also he is providing guidance on daily basis and provided course material and everything. That I think is a really amazing thing. And about the things that I have learned in workshop is that like there are so many things that I cannot put everything in some like small context, but for the few points, as we all know, he has taught us the three types of like 3 days of flu diet, as well as three stages of artificial heat creating, which we can do whenever we feel like we are getting fever or any kind of infection or something. And he has also taught us 20 things that a superhuman need to do, and if we do, we can also become a superhuman, as well as 50 mistakes that we are doing in our daily life knowingly or unknowingly, which is like affecting our health in literally a bad way. Like we cannot find proper solution to everything, but yeah, small things or small changes can result in a big difference, and that all we are focusing on. Apart from that, the affirmations that sir has provided, like I feel that is the most important and most amazing thing in this workshop. And apart from that, Meta is one thing, but affirmations are really great. And apart from that, in the day 4 that Shukrana has given by the sir is really amazing. And once the moment I just prayed that to God or thanked to God with the Shukrana, I felt an instant relief about that. Yeah, now I did something good. And about the